Okay, so I'm working on an AI app for my Hebrew students, and I'd like to give you a bit of a sneak peek to see if it arouses any excitement like it does in me and in my students at the moment. So here it is, and we can do a lot of cool stuff in it. So we can have like a WhatsApp style conversation with the AI. And one of the cool things about this, because practicing typing to me is not a major skill, but one of the cool things is you can hear and have like a voice chat
שלום,
conversation.
הכל טוב? מה נשמע? אתה בבית?
You can open here and get a little bit of insight into what's been said. And if there's a word that you're not sure about, you can click on it and you'll get a whole kind of analysis of the word. So, babait, okay, at home. Batim is the plural one. It's a male noun. Here are some other examples.
הוא נמצא בבית עכשיו.
And here we get the shoresh of the word and other uses of the word, of that shoresh. Bet sefer, beiti. And then you can add it here to your vocab list. And then that you can find here, and then you get to study it, whether it's in the flashcards or you'll get tested on it throughout the chat modes. So we have the writing chat, and you can also record myself. Hey Maya, ma kore? And then she'll try and use the words that are in my vocab
שלום,
list.
הכל טוב. מה נשמע? אתה רוצה לדבר?
I can change the speed that I hear her.
שלום, הכל טוב, מה נשמע? אתה רוצה לדבר?
And I can go over here to Maya Live and actually have a conversation. Hey Maya, את שומעת אותי?
שלום, כן, אני שומעת אותך טוב. מה שלומך? אתה מרגיש טוב?
אני מרגיש בסדר. יום ראשון, בוקר, אני כבר עובד כמה שעות, שותה קפה, והבית שקט, כי הילדים לא נמצאים.
זה יום טוב. קפה בבוקר, שקט בבית. אתה אוהב את יום ראשון? מה עוד אתה עושה היום?
Okay, so that's the conversation mode, and I can adjust my level here in settings, including how I want to be referred to as a male or a female, and different voices that I'd like to hear to expose myself to different accents. I also have a pro membership. The pro membership essentially gives me access to all of the courses, and the courses are, I'll need to upgrade my membership. It's locked me out. But the courses are essentially, I'm building 5 levels of courses. I've already built them, but I'm putting them into the app, which are a structured way to go through about 1,000 of the most commonly used words in Hebrew that I've split into 5 levels with grammar lessons for each level and pronunciation tips which suit each level. So that's a way you can also use the app, and the app will or the AI will take you through the different levels and will test you and will unlock new units as you prove competency. So that's the app. I'd love to hear any thoughts or feedback you have. I'm not sure when you'll end up watching this video, but I imagine I'll always be keen to get feedback from students on how it can be better.